Hey, are you looking for the best solo ad traffic providers on Udemy? Well, you came to the right place because I just wanted to tell you a little bit about traffic sources and traffic providers so that you could get good quality leads and be able to build and grow your list effectively with traffic that converts, right? A lot of times when people are searching on how to generate leads, they come to me and they say, well, I don't know how to test my offers. I'm just going to throw some money at traffic and see what works, see what sticks. And then they end up spending a lot of money on traffic, not knowing their stats, not knowing how they could actually get results. And they don't end up getting any results, and they go from traffic provider to traffic provider, and they go into different opportunities to try to generate leads and try to learn how to do this. Well, you came to the right place because I'm actually somebody that I don't only sell traffic. I'm a marketer first, and my first priority is to show people how to actually get traffic, how to generate leads, how to track their stats, and how to be able to get results, right? So you first want to start with a small test, right? So you want to test at 200 clicks per offer or per page, right? And then when you do that, you could get sample size. 100 clicks for a test is too small. That means if you get a 50% opt-in rate, that means you're only getting 50 people onto your list, and that's just a very, very small sample size of traffic, then you're not going to be able to get the results that you should get knowing those stats, right? So you don't want to just throw money against the wall and see what sticks. And a lot of times people go on sites like Udimi Solo Ads and look for traffic providers because that's what they're told to do. And then they find a traffic provider that has good stats. They give them the link, and they never hear from the solo ad provider about their traffic or anything like that. They get automated messages, and they're not able to actually work with them hands-on to get results. And I don't like that method. I like to be able to work with you hands-on and to be able to get you results by working with you and help you understand how to track everything, right? So that's the difference between me and other traffic providers who sell solo ads, is I actually work to try to help you get results, right? And the truth comes down to three important things: how well the targeted traffic is, so that the offers that you're promoting will have results, the landing page that you use, and the sales copy that you promote your offer with, and most importantly, the quality of traffic sources that you use that will determine if you get sales or not. And I come from a humble beginning, right? I was $87,000 in debt because I was told just to go out and get traffic and see what sticks, and I was consistent just like you, and it landed me $87,000 in debt, and I had to learn traffic to be able to become a top producer and get out of my situation, change my situation. That's why I became so good at it. So, basically the traffic that you'll be getting is basically from YouTube, Facebook, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So it's a mix of all that traffic put together. I get around 500 to 800 leads per day on average, give or take. And my goal is to help you set up and manage your funnel and your offers, and you'll be able to actually book a call with me when you order a package. We're going to book the call so that I can help you with your funnel. I can help you get the best conversions possible. I will help you with the highest converting pages so that you could get as high as 85% opt-in rate. I will help you understand how to track your leads and get the best conversion rates, and I will also help you to understand how to build your list with the right people who are engaged the most, right? So that's my goal when you buy traffic from me. And I want to help you solve all your solo ad questions and issues that you have, so that way you get the best results. So step one is to select your traffic package. I have packages as low as 50 cents a click. The more traffic you get, the cheaper the package is. Then I help you with the campaign review and setup if that's something that you want. And I will help you get between 50% and 85% opt-in rate. And all the orders start within 3 days or less, and I do that so that way you can have focused attention. Here's some of my solo ad stats right here, some of the testimonials that I have, and I update this very, very frequently. So you could see my stats. I'm able to get people results and help them to be able to get conversions and teach them how to track. So you just pick a package right here. Here's 90% T1. Here's 100% T1 if you want 100% T1. Here's the companies that work well with this offer, and there's other ones as well. So you could see that. And here's some questions that are asked. You might want to review this at the bottom of the page before you order to answer any questions that you have. And also connect with me on Facebook. You'll be able to do that whenever you place your order. Please connect with me on Facebook. I want to talk to you. I don't want you just buying traffic from me, and I don't want to never hear from you. I would love to talk to you and communicate with you and see how things are going and help you along your journey in marketing, so that way you have a support system and I could make sure that you get results, right? And as long as you are able to follow these simple steps that I outlined on this page, you'll be able to get the results that you want to get to. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Make sure you share this video so others can see this. We can get the word out to other people that I'm here to support you. And make sure you also click on the link below this video to get into my free Facebook group as well. It's free. You could get into it, and also you could book a call below as well, but you could also book that call after you select your traffic package. So make sure you pick a traffic package below and subscribe to this channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.